Okay, I'm going to create an Excel chart and then insert a graph to go with my data. Let's say student 1. I'll use a fake student and fake data. Let's say we're tracking IEP reading goals. So I'll need to keep track of the date in one column and then the percentage in another. Let's say % success. Hit enter, and your dates will vary. But if let's say I took the date on the 1st of each month, 1/9/1/14. It'll change it automatically. You can change this, but I'm fine with it being written 1-sep. And then 10/1/14. Once I have a couple, I can highlight them both by clicking September, keeping the mouse down, and then scrolling to highlight October 1st. Keeping it highlighted, I can click this little square in the bottom right corner. When I get the cross, I can drag it, and it's going to highlight the next several months. And I'll go all the way to June. And it goes in order. We were in 2014, you can see in the formula bar. For September, October, November, December, and then January, it automatically goes to 2015. And let's say you got, I'm just entering and pressing enter, an 80, 75, back up to an 80, an 85. January, he slipped a little, got a 65, and then February got a 90. There's the data. Don't really like how it looks right now. I like the first column to all be left aligned, so I'm going to highlight all of those data. And my alignment keys are right here. I'm going to click the left one, align left. And then any column after that, I like it to be in the middle. So I'm going to highlight that and the center alignment. There's my data. You can highlight certain things and make them bold. So I'll highlight my titles at bold. And if you see, now I've ran out of room in my column. So I'm going to hold my cursor between A and B and double click, and it automatically adjusts the width. You can also hold it down and just drag it where you want it, but if you double click, it does it automatically. So I'm going to do the same thing between B and C. And now I have my data recorded nice and neat. If I want to insert a chart, I highlight my data and go up to insert, and all my chart options are right here. I just want a line graph. There's all sorts of different options. The first option in each group is the most simple. So I'm going to click on that one, and there's my data.